threatened to begin their nationwide strike. The university staff have given the Ministry of Education a 48-hour ultimatum to honor a March 2017 collective bargaining agreement that should see the lecturers' basic pay go up by 17.5%. But Education Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i says the government is already implementing the CBA, insisting that at least half of the 10 billion shillings demanded by the staff has already been released. KTN's Timothy Otieno reports.
It's the sound of a tune all too familiar for anyone who has been monitoring Kenya's labor force. University staff under the umbrella of the Kenya University Staff Union yet again threatening to go on strike come Monday if funds promised to them by the national government are not deposited into their respective bank accounts.
Sisi tutaanza kufanya nini? Kurindima ngoma yetu. Na tukianza kurindima ngoma tunaigonga kweli. Na tutairindima mpaka wakati watakapolipwa sisi pesa zetu. Na hatutabanduka. Tutaendelea kwenye ngoma hadi serikali ipeane fedha ambazo walituahidi.
The Dons are accusing Education Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i of backtracking on a collective bargaining agreement signed between ministry officials and the university lecturers in March this year that ended a 54-day industrial dispute. In that agreement, the national government would offer 10 billion shillings to the lecturers that would have them receive a 17.5% pay hike in their basic salary, as well as 3.9% increase in house allowance. Funds that the Dons say have never been disbursed more than 3 months later.
When we were told, suspend the strike, come on the table, and we went. 10 billion is here, negotiate, we went. Sign, we signed. We are going to pay you by 30th of June, latest 30th of June. We agreed. Now we are on 1st of July. Where is the money?
But the Education Cabinet Secretary, through a press statement, insists the funds have been rolled out, stating, quote, the Ministry of Education has wired half of the amount, a total of 4.775 billion Kenya shillings, into the respective bank accounts of 31 public universities and colleges. The rest of the amount would come from the 2017-2018 financial year. It is therefore my appeal to UASU to withdraw its planned strike and encourage its members to go on with their duties uninterrupted. End of quote. But the university's academic staff union will hear none of that. The Union Secretary General Constantine Wasonga promising on Friday to lead the country's largest strike, stating this will be the grandmother of all strikes.
Our members, we are hereby telling you, if you do not receive money latest by Monday, 3rd of July, 7 o'clock in your accounts, at 8 o'clock, gather in your respective meeting points in the universities to start a massive withdrawal of labor.
If the Dons make good their strike, it will be the second time just this year alone that university lecturers will have boycotted work due to issues with implementing a collective bargaining agreement. No work! Yet another group on the same trend are nurses who are in their second such strike this year, with the medics marking their 27th day out of office Saturday. The looming stalemate is likely to affect more than 30 public universities in the country, with over 500,000 students at the risk of having their semesters disrupted. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.
And as the 2017 general election draws closer, Kinango Member of Parliament Gonzi Rai went into the Kaya forest for prayers to help him recapture